Firefighters say natural gas caused a Peoria restaurant explosion. It happened over the weekend at Sharkey's on Southwestern Avenue. When firefighters got there, they say it was fully engulfed in flames, and you could see all the damage to the building there, shattered glass. Firefighters say no one was inside at the time of this explosion.
Fortunately, no one was injured, no one was hurt. That's the real fortunate side of this. We were just as concerned if you get into a situation like this and it's occupied, there's tenants, there's workers, things like that.
And firefighters say the building will probably be a total loss.
Welcome sunshine and dry conditions greeted the Peoria Police Department for their annual memorial service today. Dozens of law enforcement families joined together to recognize the officers who have died in the line of duty. The interim chief talked about changes in policing amid the pandemic and the sacrifices given by Peoria officers, including those who made the ultimate sacrifice.
They did what they always do, no matter what the circumstances are, what they're expected to do, without regard for themselves. Respond.
This event falls every year on National Police Week. The department also hands out awards for Officer of the Year, Distinguished Service, and more.